So last week in this video, I asked you guys to head over to my Instagram account and vote for the best truly wireless earbuds of 2019. The contestants were the Apple AirPods Pro and the Sony WF-1000XM3, and so far the Sony is taking a huge lead over the Apple AirPods Pro. It's such a huge lead that I don't really see the point of going into how many more votes the Sony's got over the Apple AirPods Pro, but it is a huge difference. And if you're interested to see for yourself, I've included a link to my Instagram account in the description box. But I want to give a huge shout out and a big thank you to all of you who voted and followed my Instagram page as well. Now, I have a theory about why the Sonys got so many more votes than the AirPods Pro. Well, for one, the Sonys have been in the market for far longer than the AirPods Pro have been. And the AirPods Pro has been sold out on Apple's website and in the Apple Store for quite some time now. I believe it's been more than a month since they were sold out. But that's entirely Apple's fault, right? They weren't able to capitalize on Black Friday and the pre-holiday season. So even though personally I feel that it's very hard for me to say which of these earbuds are better, the XM3s or the AirPods Pro, since the Sony's got the most votes, the title of the best truly wireless earbuds of 2019 goes to the Sony WF-1000XM3. But who knows? Who knows what would happen next year? Will Apple continue to improve the AirPods Pro through software updates or adding some new features, perhaps like volume controls? Or will Sony continue to take and widen the lead with new products like perhaps a Sony WF-1000XM4? But if 2019 was any indication at all, with all the big brands jumping into the true wireless earbuds bandwagon, I'm expecting 2020 to be an even bigger year for truly wireless earbuds. More and better products from the big brands and also from brands like Bose. Because even Bose is expected to release some new earbuds in 2020, which is great because they haven't released anything new in the past couple of years. So some new noise cancelling truly wireless earbuds from Bose will be rather exciting. You know, we can compare them against offerings from Sony and the Apple AirPods Pro as well. So it's going to be an interesting year come 2020. But in hindsight, 2019 was also a fantastic year for this channel because we started out the year with 4,000 subscribers, which is great. But now we've got 14,000 and counting. So the community has grown and we now see more people involved in the conversations that take place in the comment section. And that is always very nice to see. And I want to give a special shout out to all of you who stayed on this channel from the very beginning. So if you've subscribed from the year 2015, 2016, 2017, you know who you are. I'm talking about you, veterans. Thanks a lot for staying on this channel, even when I make content that is very different from my usual content. But your comments and feedback have really benefited me a lot over the past few years. And anyone can see the difference. I mean, if you take a look at the videos I make now and compare it to the videos I made in 2016, they are worlds apart. And it is because of your comments and feedback that enabled me to step out of my comfort zone and experiment and try new things and talk about new things. And seeing how this channel has grown over the past year makes me feel like everything is all worthwhile. So I look forward to bringing you more content, more fresh ideas, more latency tests, microphone tests, sound quality comparisons, reviews, news, everything you have seen from 2019, 2020 is gonna be better. It's gonna be better, guys. I'll see you again, bros, in the next one in 2020. Subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to ring the notifications bell if you haven't, to stay notified of new content from this channel.